Hi all, Brian here from DAiM. We are a licensed asset manager for digital assets and traditional equity portfolios. This is our summary video for our monthly letter. Here at DAiM, we have a proprietary statistic that we track, and basically we look at large moves with Bitcoin over the year. So the way we categorize it is like this. Is there a 7-day period where Bitcoin goes up by 15% or more? And there's actually quite a few on average. So over about the last 10 years, the average for those 15+% moves per week is 5.9. So let's just call it 6. And last year in the bear market, there was only 3. And the last one that happened was in July. So we were actually really overdue for a big pop like we just had here in January, which showed that Bitcoin went up by 40%. Investor sentiment is starting to turn more favorable. This is a changing course from the last 9 months, and it's partly due to negative news exhaustion. Okay, the upward price movement's helping a bit too, and the last of industry firms that could file for bankruptcy is starting to play out. So for example, just a few Thursdays ago, Genesis filed for Chapter 11 and Bitcoin went up by $1,000. This is a chart of Bitcoin's mean hash rate. So hash rate in basic terms measures the computer power required to verify transactions taking place on the Bitcoin network. So over the past year, Bitcoin's price has gone down. And you would think if Bitcoin was dying, that this hash rate measure would also go to 0. But instead it's not. Bitcoin's not dying. This chart is up and to the right over the last year while Bitcoin's price went down. It's up by 25% last year. And this shows that Bitcoin is growing and demand is increasing. Lastly, in the letter, there's a section at the bottom that explains self-directed crypto services versus managed investment services like my firm DAiM offers. There are considerable differences and value propositions that are worth noting. And if you're a client of ours, we'd love to speak to you each individually. So please reach out to us and email hq@daim.io so we can schedule that appointment in the next month. Wrapping it up. This update comes out each month. And if you want to hear the latest thoughts on the space and filtered news, please subscribe. And if you feel somebody would benefit from watching this, also share it. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon.